Okay, so I want to introduce you to Alison. This is one of our clients who've been with us for a while, and I want to just talk through some of the stuff that she's experienced since being with us. So Alison, what were the results like that you got before starting the programme, and where were you at?
They were hit and miss at best. A string of different gym programmes, mainly on my own, and just never really sure that they were really doing anything. Enjoyed going to the gym, that wasn't a problem. Motivated to go on my own as well as with other people, but just not really seeing any massive results, and it had no effect on anything else that happened outside the gym. There was nothing around thinking about food and nutrition. It was purely just following an exercise plan at the gym.
Okay, and what results have you achieved since you started with us, and how would you say life differs since starting?
Oh, you've changed my life. You know that. A huge change, a big lifestyle change for me. I know it sounds everybody says you change your life, but for me it was more than just coming to a gym, more than just an hour's exercise 2 or 3 times a week. I wanted to change my whole attitude towards how I eat and how I feel, and this has done this for me. I started cooking better for all of us, for all of the family as well as just myself. Started to realise what foods don't suit me very well at all, and how I can eat better so that I feel better, and then the exercise on top of that really feels like a bonus. But just much better, feel much better in general, feel fitter, healthier, with more energy. Okay,
and how soon did you see the results after you started with us?
Very quickly, I would say. I felt the benefits of the food, of eating differently, within a couple of weeks, but then the different types of training and a better diet over a longer period of time, but the significant differences, which seen from the before and after photographs, were within 12 weeks. But it wasn't just that, it was how easy it was to sustain it after that, and how I could have the old naughty days, and it still didn't have a massive impact on and spoil anything that I'd done before.
Okay. And in terms of before you came to see me, or when you came to see me, what sort of things were you sceptical about?
Oh, my main worry was the cost. For me, it felt like a big cost. It's different to paying a monthly membership. You might pay for a trainer every now and again to give some guidance as to your training programme, but it felt like a big commitment to me. But I would say your confidence in what you offer as a full package. It's not just about paying a PT an hourly rate, it's the full package of the nutrition, and the whole, as I said, the whole lifestyle, the whole change to how you approach exercise and food, and your confidence that this is what it costs. It's a high value service, so there is a cost to pay. That was my main concern, but once I'd spoken to you, I was convinced, obviously, and then, as I say, being able to see the results quite quickly, confirmed that I'd done the right thing. So.
Okay, and what would you say to anyone who might be on the fence about thinking about joining us?
Do it. Best thing, one of the best things I've ever done, definitely, in terms of feeling better and exercise. I've never stuck to anything in my life. I'm a bit of a fadder, really. Do just try different diets, different forms of exercise, but I've been doing this for 2.5 years. I've stuck with this. I've never stuck at anything so long. Nick's doing some great deals at the minute on trying this. All I would say is just give it a go. You've got nothing to lose, and I'm sure you'll be as convinced as I was really quickly.
Okay, thanks Alison. Thanks for that.